used to be like a ton of sand dunes in this area, and when it would rain, it used to rain like every single day, all day. So all of this rainwater, it would soak up like a sponge down into the sand dune. Usually after every rainstorms in the desert, there's huge sandstorms that occur. So when you get further down, you guys are gonna see like all these thin little layers that look like they're stacked on top of each other. Each one of these layers, they took over 1,000 years for each layer to form. So this is how the layers are all formed, and all of the sand that did not turn into hard rock like this one here, it blew away from all the heavy winds that we got, and that's what gives you all these like huge mesas in this area. Yeah, and when you get further down there, this is what you're gonna see. All these big rocks with a whole bunch of sand on top of it. In this one, right over here, it actually like got cracked from a earthquake. And that's what started Lower Antelope Canyon.
Wow.
And if you look at this huge drawing right here, this is the Antelope Wash. It's about like 15 miles long. 4 miles north of us down here is Lake Powell. And then there's the Lower Canyon, the Upper Canyon, then Canyon X. And then further out this way, there are other washes that branch out this way. So when it rains over here, all of the water, it'll funnel into the Antelope Wash, and it'll flood all 3 of these canyons because all of that water will go down to Lake Powell. So the deepest part, which we'll enter from, is 95 feet deep, and it only takes 4 inches of rain right over there to flood all 3 of these canyons from the bottom to the top. Wow. So the flash floods that occurred back then, when they came through, they basically slowly eroded away the sandstone, and it cut through this huge rock, forming a slot canyon. Yeah, so this is basically how Lower Antelope Canyon was formed.
Okay.
Yeah, so cool.
Yeah. This is called Summers Canyon, though. Just kidding. Yeah.
Wow.
Just like that. Yep.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Good on you.